Welcome to 2744 Sanderling Way. This gorgeous single-story home is nestled on a quiet street in Pleasanton's highly desired Birdland neighborhood. This lovely home has been meticulously maintained, move-in ready, and boasts a popular floor plan that is open and flooded with an abundance of natural light. Enjoy views of the inviting backyard through the French doors in the luxurious master suite, which features an upgraded bathroom with custom cherry vanity, granite countertop, tile shower stall, and glass enclosure. The professionally landscaped yard is surrounded by trees and features a river stone-lined concrete patio, lush lawns, several fruit trees, and sitting areas. It's the perfect place to barbecue and entertain friends. Other upgrades to the home include wood shutters, crown molding, solar tube skylights, indoor laundry, full subterranean drainage system, Milguard dual pane windows, and much more. This convenient location is great for commuters and provides easy access to highways 580 and 680, the ACE train station, and BART. All 3 levels of highly ranked schools are within easy walking distance. Historic downtown Pleasanton is also very close and within a short bike ride or drive. Enjoy the diverse restaurants, boutique shops, and entertainment that the quaint town offers. Other nearby attractions include golf courses, hiking and biking trails, and wineries. Welcome home to 2744 Sanderling Way.